That sounds like the buzz button at Jeopardy.
Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
Yes.
So I was on my way to work and forgot my watch again. Ever get the feeling of deja vu? I'm starting to get that today. Alright, off to work for reals. So yeah, I'm still not feeling very good. You know, but I don't know if you guys are like me. I have a hard time with like calling out sick and stuff like that. Like there's just too much work to be done. If I'm not there, then that means that someone else has to do my job for me. And I'm not big on that, so I don't know. I think that's good, but maybe not all the time. At least I remembered my name tag today.
Now she regrets that. And all that we have conversations about.
Slow down, huh?
Oh, you just automatically snooze, huh?
Oh yeah.
Alright, well,
Whatever you want.
Anything you want, buddy.
Whatever you want. I don't care.
I'll stand here.
All right. Get out of here. So work is over with. Kind of a miserable day. So I'm still able to get all caught up, which is great. But I'm just not feeling good right now. Hey, bud. What?
Stop! It's my Titanic.
Is that your Titanic? Hey buddy, what you up to? Awesome.
Hi, Dad.
Hi. Comfy? You look happy.
He wasn't so much earlier.
Currently he's content.
We're watching funny baby videos on the internet.
We are kind of, we are,
Did you get your tongue clipped yesterday?
yes.
Let me see. Wow. That's pretty cool.
And also, we are just watching a movie and they didn't switch it to a different show.
Oh, cool. Alright, so we have some family coming over. Well, not coming over, staying with us for the next few days. My wife's family, so it sounds like they just got here. So, yeah, we're going to go see them now.
Why would you take them out of the
So how do you really feel about your salad?
I
eat salads all the time. It's plenty good with salad. I have a salad every day.
Could you take a picture for this?
You've been missing in laws for so long. You're
It's a Death Star?
A picture of it
for the vlog.
Wow.
The apples are for you.
And
You know.
3 more Death Stars. Grandma. Grandma. Yes, Grandma. 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 Grandma.
That sounds like the buzz button at Jeopardy. Want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
He's heading to bed.
You going to bed, sir? Huh? Hey, Ryan. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Anyway, just remember,